In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion template with someone. Sharing a template in Notion is a quick process, but it's important to understand what each step does so you can share it with the right person and with the right level of access. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you've opened the exact Notion page or template you want to share. This might be a project planner, a content calendar, a personal dashboard, or any other page you've created or duplicated as a template. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct page, because the link and permissions you're about to set will apply specifically to this one. Now, look toward the upper right corner of your Notion window. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the sharing panel, where you control who can access your template and what they can do with it. Inside this sharing panel, you'll notice a field where you can type an email address. This is where you add the person you want to share your template with. Carefully type in their email address, making sure there are no typos. If you enter the wrong email, the invitation will go to someone else or simply not reach the intended person. After typing the email, you may see some options next to their name, such as viewing or editing permissions, depending on your Notion setup. Take a moment to choose the level of access you're comfortable giving. For example, if you only want them to look at your template but not change it, make sure it's set to view only. If you want them to be able to customize it directly in your shared workspace, you can allow editing. Once everything looks correct, all you need to do is click on the Invite button. This sends an invitation to the email address you entered. The person you invited will receive an email notification from Notion with a link to your template. When they click